What's going on, guys? Nick back again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what an EMOM is. So I do a lot of EMOM, so I'm constantly getting asked this question: what really is an EMOM? So an EMOM stands for every minute on the minute. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to pick a workout or several workouts. I'll get into that in a second, but let's start with just one workout. I chose weighted dips. I know I can do around 50 pounds added to my body weight for around 20 reps. So that being said, I'm gonna half it. I'm gonna do around 10 reps because this is difficult. So I'm gonna do a 10-minute EMOM, meaning I'm gonna do 10 reps of 50 pounds added dips every minute for 10 minutes. So how do we execute this? What you're gonna do is you're gonna start the clock. You're gonna be fully ready for your set. Do those 10 reps. Remember, always have good form, right? It's not worth sacrificing form. If you can't do it with good form, go down in weight or make it an easier progression, whatever you're doing, because you can do this with statics, you can do this with advanced calisthenics movements, you can do this with absolutely anything. However, back to the dips, start the clock, I'm gonna do 10 dips. If it takes me 15 seconds to do, I'm gonna be left with 45 seconds of rest, because once that clock hits 1 minute, I go again. 2 minutes, go again. 3 minutes, go again. 4 minutes, go again, right? So this is why it gets so difficult. The first set might only take me 15 seconds, so I have that full 45 seconds to rest. By minute 7, 8, 9, it might take me 20, 30 seconds to do those 10 reps, only leaving me with 40 or 30 seconds of rest. So however long it takes you to do the set, the remainder of that minute is your rest. So no matter what, you're gonna end at 10 minutes. Throughout the process, you might just get a little bit more rest on one set or a little less rest on another while you're getting fatigued all the way through that 10 minutes. Now, this is super effective if you're trying to get better with your basics, your pull-ups, push-ups, and dips. I've done these with absolutely everything. I did it with the basics. I've done it with advanced calisthenics movements like handstand push-ups. I do this a lot, actually. I'll do 1 to 2 handstand push-ups every single minute for 10 minutes. I'm doing 20 handstand push-ups in 10 minutes. So not only working on my strength, but also working on my endurance. And it really just builds confidence up on whatever you're doing for the EMOM. If you're doing weighted dips by set 8, 9, 10, you would have done so many reps in such a short period of time, you're gonna gain confidence with whatever weight you're doing or whatever workout you're doing. So next time you go to do it, you could say, hey, I just did that many reps in 10 minutes. This should be easy now. So it builds that confidence up. It is an amazing way to work out. I've used it in every way, shape, and form, and I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it. So if you have any other questions regarding an EMOM, I'm happy to explain. I'm happy to help. Shoot me a DM. You could follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at core_calisthenics. Check out my website, corecalisthenics.com, as every single workout I know on there, and me explain the right way to perform it under 1 to 2 minutes. And stay tuned for my videos every single Saturday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern time. I'll see you guys in the next video.